21st Century Classroom done by Miss Shakonja Dion, Miss Bianca Potter, Miss Melissa Bender, and Miss Renita Curtius. In our classroom, we have two doors. On one of our doors, we have a ramp that will be used for wheelchair access for students who probably have to use a wheelchair or who have broken their feet and need access to enter the school. Then we have our group section where we will be doing group work. And to the front of the class, we have our whiteboard, smartboard, and our television. We also have our alphabet, both sign language and the normal alphabet. Then we have our different corners. We have the Mott's corner. We have our AC, one AC in that corner to help push coolness into the classroom. Then we have our science corner. Then we move on to our reading corner. And in our reading corner, we have our word tree, some encouraging words about reading, and our bookshelves. And then next to our reading corner, we have our computer room, where students will be learning to use the computer in order to do different tasks. And also in the computer room, we have another AC. And then we have our sink with a mirror so that students could look after themselves. We have our bin, our social study corner. And then our English corner. This is an overview of the classroom. Then we're moving into our, where we have our class rules and national corner. And then we're moving into our sick bay or quiet room. In this room, students will come and lay down if they're not feeling well, where they can also have access to hearing what is being taught in the classroom. Also, this room is used for our quiet area where misbehaved students can come and choose a task to help themselves. Choose a task, set a timer, and which will be used to help oneself to calm down and then to return into the classroom. We have an overview of our sick bay / quiet room. Here we are going back into the classroom. We have the teacher's table, the single desk and bench for each student, the group work corner. We also have our reading corner and our computer room overview. And we exit our classroom. Images of our classroom.